Hi, this is Ruben Vavana from A to Z Graphology. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what graphotherapy is, how you can benefit from it, and how does it work. Graphotherapy is an application of graphology. Graphology can be used to bring about a better mindset, a better physical presence, an emotional state, a mental ability, and enhance your overall life experience. There are two types of graphotherapy depending on the requirement. You see, in our society, writing has become far lesser than what it used to be. And as more and more people migrate towards electronics, writing becomes less. So, how does a graphologist help people who don't write? We're going to come to that topic in a bit. So, first of all, let's understand how written graphotherapy works. So, there are two, written and non-written. First, we'll understand how written graphotherapy works. When I write, I am expressing a body language. When I express the body language many times, means it's going to influence the way my mind, my body, and my emotions respond. How does body language influence you? Let me give you an example. Right now, I'm going to do something. Just observe how you feel and what happens in your mind when you look at what I'm going to do next. So, the moment I did that, did you think that I'm feeling a little bored, tired, maybe mentally burdened? A body language gave you a clue about something that's happening towards me. Now, even if I'm not mentally burdened, even if I'm not feeling lethargic or stressed, if I do this every day for a couple of minutes, repeatedly, for a couple of days, for a couple of weeks, my mindset will become this. I will be like this. Even if I'm not in that position, my mind will float towards that thought pattern. A weak body language will lead to weak emotions, weak mentality. A strong body language will lead to positivity, a strength which comes from good emotions and good mentality. So, in the similar way, if I tell you to write in a certain way, change your letter structures in a certain way, then it will also influence the body. The point is that you have to write quite often and very regularly. Only for then can you get the real result. So people who are students, or if you are a professional where writing is very common and writing is very much a daily part of your life, at least 2 pages, then we could say that written graphotherapy would work for you. That is where whenever you contact me, I will send you certain letter structures or maybe certain formations which you have to draw and write, and those formations, as you practice, it will help to improve your mindset. But now let's come to the other side of the coin. What about those people who do not write? You're an IT professional, you are a shopkeeper, you are a banker. The last time you probably touched a pen was a millennium ago. You barely even sign a courier nowadays. Earlier, when the courier used to come, the signature used to be taken, but nowadays, even that is not required. The requirement for us to write, the requirement to write is less. So, anyway, when we do write, occasionally it becomes like a luxury, probably on a greeting card or something. So, how does a graphologist help a person who doesn't write? So, what we do is something called as non-written graphotherapy technique, where we tell the person to change the live body language in real life, and the effect of that can be diagnosed with a handwriting sample. So, what we do is that first day we get a handwriting sample, we check out the strengths and weaknesses, and let's say I identify from the handwriting that this person's self confidence is not good, he's feeling dull, he's feeling negative, he's feeling a bit low, his business is not going well, he's working hard but not getting the correct inputs. A student is trying to study but not getting knowledge in. You're eating the food but not getting the energy. You are earning the money but not able to enjoy what you have. So if all these things are happening to you, for an example, what I would tell the person to do is one technique in non-written graphotherapy called as no elbow support. No elbow support is a body language where I recommend the person to never touch the elbow to any surface, especially while you're sitting down or lying down. Just don't touch it. So if I'm doing like this, if I'm doing like that, where my elbow is touching the table, then this is not supposed to be done. Just don't do it. So now you'll tell me that if I have an armchair with which has armrests, then do you mean that I should not use it? Yes, you can use it, like how I'm doing right now. I'm not using my elbow, I'm using my arm. This part of the arm, which is softer and has a cushioned feeling, can be used. You see, the bone over here inside the elbow is barely a few millimeters away from the outside world. The amount of work this skin has to do to keep the outside world out and the bone in is tremendous. It's a very high stress level for the body. It's a very dicey situation. When a bone is close to the surface, it's very dangerous. Now, the point is that another effect of using the elbow is just the way the body language changes and becomes rather disproportionate. Now, look at me. I'm sitting comfortably with this support, alright? Now, the moment I use my elbow, just see what happened. My shoulders become asymmetric, my backbone slightly bends. If I do this, now look at it. My head is tilting, my neck is bent, my shoulders are improper, my back is bent. When the person's spine is not erect and when the spine is not straight, it normally leads to negative thinking. On the contrary, if your spine is straight, if you're getting good support and your shoulders are very much aligned, then it's much more easier to think positively and with stronger thoughts. So when a person does no elbow support for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, after some time what happens is that his body language becomes better, his spine becomes erect, energy in the body flows better, and this leads to better goal setting, better goal completion and achievement, more confidence. And just look at it, the body language of the person feels more confident. From this every day to this, you can see the effect. Here you can see me having a slightly weaker posture. If I'm in a meeting, if I'm eating my food, if I'm talking to somebody with this posture, I'm not going to get a good outcome. But as soon as I do this, I'm not telling you to straighten your back and always be perfectly tight. I'm not telling you to do that. Just keep your back genuinely straight, and for that, you just need to avoid using the elbows. In fact, you can check your elbow right now. The darker the skin of the elbow, the lesser your chances of being successful. You will do hard work, you will do a lot of hard work, but is your hard work paying you right? Is the proportion of your hard work and your achievement matching? Generally, people who have the elbow same color as the normal skin, they are able to have an achievement that matches their hard work. And wouldn't you want that? Wouldn't you want your hard work to pay you correctly? Whatever it is, it could be a relation, it could be a job, a work, an assignment, taking care of your child, learning graphology, anything that you do should have a good feedback, good achievement. So, if like how this my elbow has got a similar color to my other skin, this means that I am able to get maximum out of my work and get a high level of achievement. So try it out. This is one example of the many things that I recommend in graphotherapy, specially tailored per person. And the point is that as you practice this graphotherapy and as you work with your body, your mind will be influenced, it will be reprogrammed. Okay, and this is how non-written graphotherapy works. There are innumerable number of activities, body language techniques, different postures which I recommend the person. Not only postures, certain activities also that can completely reprogram the mind. And the beauty of this is that how much time does it take? Barely nothing. You could be sitting down, and every time your back is straight, you're getting positive energy flowing up. The moment I do this, I've got something wrong with my spinal column, and that's going to ruin my life experience. So, try out this one example of non written graphotherapy. Connect with me, and let us see how we can give you the advantage of graphotherapy. This is Zubin Vavana from A to Z Graphology. I'm happy to have you on this journey, and I hope to take you deeper into the rabbit's hole. See you next time.